Okay, welcome another new session today with Bitcoin and Yearn Finance No Value, which is the Yfii. Together, we will extract the structure points. We will also extract the algorithmic levels. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. We take this channel seriously. So just subscribe to my channel and you will join a family peoples who are against the monopoly and against the information monopoly. So monopolism actually in financial markets does exist, especially the way that the markets now reacts and also how it works. So in this channel, you will learn the exact science with technical analysis. You know, now technical analysis, the classic one, it's expired nowadays. So we together will extract the way of trading. So I am inviting you just to subscribe to my channel and you will get the full knowledge how this market reacts and how the market works. So you may hear me each time talking about algorithmic levels and you ask yourself, what is algorithmic levels? Algorithmic levels simply are numbers where the markets react or reverse when exactly there is some touch in that number or algorithmic number. So for example, you may see that you can have a support, but the algorithms actually reacts before that support. So why? Because these algorithms are programmed, okay? They are programmed to react before your supports because they knew your supports are there. Okay, so I am giving you some knowledge how to work and how to use this kind of science by simply for free. Like I said, we are against monopolism and simply by helping you getting another new knowledge inside the markets. So sometimes the algorithms create fake orders, sometimes iceberg orders. Sometimes they, when the price achieves some low prices, they buy, but in hidden or in the OTC. When the market stops at some algorithmic levels, then they go back and pump all these tokens. When you start to buy based on technical analysis, for example, you see a bullish engulfing, an inverted hammer, a hammer, any other patterns, you start to accumulate, then they dump on you. Simply, there is some simple secrets and simple hidden messages. You can use them to trade with the algorithmic levels. For example, here, this is what we called in English, this is the morning star. Okay, this is the morning star. What is the morning star? Morning star is a down candle plus a reversal candle and another confirmation one. Okay, so we can Google it and you will, so you can trust me. I'm saying something really professional. Okay, morning star candlestick or pattern. Actually, it's a pattern, not just a candlestick. So okay, this is it. So you can see it's a down candle or a simple down candle, a reversal one or any doji, then a bullish engulfing. 100% there is a bullish engulfing. So people now, based on this information, they will buy. Okay, they will simply buy. Okay, you can see a down candle, then a reversal one, and a bullish engulfing, or let's say a bullish candle. Okay, so there is the morning star and there is the evening star. So this is the morning star and this is the evening star. Okay, so you may check on John Murray, I think, book, how technical analysis works, and you will find that these guys actually know, or the algorithms knows exactly what you are going to do, so they will do the same. I mean the opposite. Okay, they will go to the opposite direction. So a lot of people, when they see this pattern here, they think, okay, that there is some lower low. So sorry, there is a higher lows. Okay, and there is a trend over here. Okay, and we will buy, and you can accumulate Bitcoin. So, and I think now we will get another new dump. So there is a lot of market conditions. It is not a simple one trick. Okay, not only a one trick you can use to prevent algorithms. No, there is a lot of knowledge, a lot of, you can say, millions of informations. Okay, millions of informations depend on the circumstances on the market, depends on how the chart actually works. Okay, so not 100%. If you see, for example, this reversal pattern, now it's 100% the markets will go to the opposite side. No, there is some, let's say, hidden, okay, secrets you can use. And when you see it in the chart, you make 100% decision against what the patterns actually conditions works. So why I believe, and I told people to stay away from Bitcoin, because there is only one hidden secret. Why? Simply because this candle here is not a simple candle. Okay, when you see a big bearish candle, simply trade with the lows and the highs. So this is the low, and you can see that the price cannot really go against or break the low of this bearish week, candle week. Okay, so you can see that the market now is trading inside this mother bar. So all this pattern here, all these candlesticks now are an inside bars. And inside bars now, it's 100% manipulations, okay? It's equal to 100% manipulation. It's manipulated 100%, and never trade, okay? Never trade inside a big mother bar, okay? So when you see a mother bar, please do not trade. Just relax, get your coffee, okay? Watch a movie, prevent to trade. Even if you are, let's say, a professional trader with millions of dollars, don't have any suspicious ideas, okay? Don't get any obsessions that the markets will go and trade with the highs and the lows. So if the price goes higher than this level here, then okay. If not, then thank you very much. I will try to purchase your Bitcoins at the lowest price I can afford. Okay, so this is for the weekly chart, and I hope you guys understand what I mean by the algorithmic levels. It is a trick, and I promise you I will do the best to share the knowledge to get the algorithmic levels as possible as you can, or the knowledge for extracting them so simply, or so simple. So now let's talk about Bitcoin and where actually there is some, let's say, hidden market. Okay, we'll keep these levels here. And now let's go back to the daily chart and see, is there any important, let's say, important movements. So this is our structure points. Okay, this is our structure point. This is our, let's say, the full support we can have in order to, let's say, to get, we can say, for example, positivity and negativity. So below this level here, simply we can buy at the next moving average, okay, which is the, let's say, 200 parameters. Okay, we will change from the high to the low. Okay, so now we'll add another line. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. Okay, so the same for the moving average 100. Where is the high? Okay, so the high is actually are the same on the day, the candle high, okay, which is the previous day. The previous day is high, okay. So thank you very much, moving average. Now go back where you're at. So okay, this is it, and now we are done. So we are done. Now, how can we trade Bitcoin now? Okay, how can we trade? Simply, I am doing this strategy. If the price breaks higher than this level here, okay, which is the moving average, represent the moving average, we can have another bullish movement, okay, to the 10,845 or 50. Okay, this is all we can do for scalping. So investors, you know, this is your levels, the first and the second. Scalpers, this is your levels. So just be careful. Trade with the lines. Never use any indicators. never use also any suspicious one, especially there is a lot of indicators. You can filter your levels by simply add some, say, trending or trend moving averages or trend indicators. Okay, let me show you. So you open a Bollinger Band. Okay, we can't add, okay. Bollinger Bands, okay. So Bollinger Band with the closest now, let's change it to the highs or the lows the first. Okay, so this is the first resistance. It is the same one. Okay, the second, which is the same, close to the same one. And now the 9,500. So, okay. Change it now to the highs. Okay, it's the same almost. Okay, it's almost the same. So if you wanna use the Bollinger Band, simply, if you have, for example, this is, okay, the highs, and this is the middle moving average, and this is how the Bollinger Band works. Okay, so simply add a line at the head of that moving average, or that's the line, okay, and use them as supports and resistances. Okay, this one. This way it works with the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so this is it for the Bollinger Band. Okay, I think now we are done. Let's remove the Bollinger Band and let's keep watching what's going to happen for the next hours. I will teach you also in the next videos how to know the timing where the market will reverse, not 100%, but a big probability. So you can know when it's actually something very important, when the markets will have a reversal, let's say, pattern, or the wave will end or something like that. Okay, especially pumps and dumps. So there is some tools, simple tools. You can use the 5 circles, also the 5 time zone. I promise you guys, I will teach you how to use that. Okay, and simply follow my channel and subscribe to my channel. So this is all for the Bitcoin. This is all the levels you can need. This is the algorithmic one. It's a professional one. Okay, so extract them and or copy them to your chart, and you can try them and make money from them for, like I said, for free. So, okay, let's move on to the Yearn Finance no value. I told you guys in Twitter, this is actually, it's a scam. Really, it's a scam, trust me. Nothing called projects, nothing called, let's say, positivity, nothing called, it's just simply pump and dump. Program, some fake algos, not even algos, it's just some useless codes, okay, in ERC20, and then sell them for money. Okay, these guys are looking to your dollars, while actually you are looking for other people's dollars. They are robbing your dollars. So please, do never, the only advice I am giving you, do never buy this kind of tokens as long as they are pumps achieved or the pump created in the first candle. So this is the Genesis candle here. Okay, this is the Genesis candle. And this is, okay, the high of the candle. Simply, if you want to predict where the market is going, do this trading system I'm giving you now for free, simply by clicking to the 5 circles. It's a big, it's a dangerous, it's a important, it's a really gorgeous tool to extract the algorithmic levels and also the timing, and also you can mess with their lives. I mean, these criminals. Okay, so get your 5 circle like this. Okay, so this is, you can see that now we have to we have to extract the circles in order to have where actually the price can go from this Genesis candle. Okay, so this is the high, and this is actually the price where actually the market stops. So this way. Now bring a line here, horizontal line, and get your horizontals or your horizontal line below or higher than the numbers here. I mean the circles. Okay. You can see the market now, it's maybe can react to this algorithm levels. Okay, so you can see that the markets actually have, or Yearn Finance no value have a targets at this level here. Possible it can go and possible not, but we simply focus on what we see, not on what we think. So now let's see what happens exactly. Okay, you can see that the market actually some ways, okay, some ways reacts on these levels. Okay, and I think now we are in the correct way, and we are in the correct wave, and we are trading the market correctly. Simply now we have to wait for this level here. So the breaking for the first one, and market tried to break out here all over $10 and then goes back. So we can buy at the $5. Also be careful, they knew you are buying or making your orders at the $5. Okay, so you want to make sure if there is any let's say orders, you can go to OKX and check the orders. Also you can use Quantower. This is a platform to extract the orders, and you can see where there is a big orders. If you see, for example, an orders in $5, correct numbers 5.00, so please adjust your order to 5.10, for example, or 5.26. Prevent the correct numbers like $5, 5.25, 5.50, or 5.5, 5.75, $6. No, use another numbers and supplementary numbers. Okay, so from this level you can buy Yearn Finance value, and you can also make some money. And remember, you can just sell for the first opportunity to make some percentages. Okay, sell your Yearn Finance values in the first opportunities that the waves appears, or the market gives you a bullish signal. When a bullish signal appears, people will accumulate and buy. It's your time to sell. Okay, so no need to hold, especially at these levels here. If you wanna, for example, buy at these levels and keep your tokens for the, let's say, a long term, you can buy small quantities. Okay, small quantities. I think, in my opinion, the market can go to the $1. Okay, maybe the $2, of course. I think these levels actually big probability that the market could achieve. So just trade whenever you see a bullish trend, or you see some reversal candle, you can sell it and get your money out of this market. So this is it. Thank you very much for listening to this science, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if there is any questions, you can write it down in the comment section. Also, I'm sorry if I commit any English mistakes, because like I said before, English is not my official nor a second language. I'm doing my best to send the informations in order to help the world, because you know people are talking English the whole world. So this is it. Thank you very much. Hope to see you as soon as possible. Thank you.